Google is offering a free AI course where you can learn to build AI agents in just 5 days. And yes, you can get a certificate, build a real project, and even win reward. And if you missed this opportunity last time, don't worry, registrations are open again. In this video, I'll tell you everything about the free AI course by Google, what it is, what you will learn, and how you can apply before it's too late. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Lanswell. If you're new here, I'm Nirvita, and on this channel I post videos on internships, free courses, and tech opportunities and job related stuff that can actually help you grow. So make sure you subscribe and stay updated. So you can check my recent videos, and also you can explore my channel what the videos I have uploaded, and you can just apply for those, and also follow my social media handles for more. So if you remember, in the month of November, I already made videos on the course, the 5-day AI Agents Intensive Course with Google. So if you watched my videos, you might have remembered.
Many of you watched the videos and found it useful, and if you are watching for the first time, like if you are new to this, don't worry at all, it is very easy. If you are it is beginner friendly, so if you are new to AI, then don't worry at all. And the best part is they have opened the registration again, so make sure you're applying for this opportunity as soon as possible.
This course is called 5-day AI Agents Intensive Vibe Coding Course with Google. So you might be knowing the meaning of vibe coding, right? Like we'll be giving the prompts, the AI and building. And this will be happening from June 15 to June 19. So whether you missed it earlier or you're completely new, this is your chance to apply. So in just 5 days, you will learn AI agents and vibe coding, how to use APIs and build powerful 10x agents, memory and context handling, security and testing, and finally, how to deploy your project. Plus, you will build a real world Capstone project which you can add to your portfolio. And if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and share this with your friends because opportunities like this can really boost your career. Next, how does the intensive work? So every day you'll get assignments, live sessions, community discussions, hands-on coding, and the best part, it is completely free. So here you can see like daily assignments, daily live streams, capstone project, and just go through this. And what's being covered in this? What will be covered in this means on day one you'll be learning introduction to agents and vibe coding. So you will be learning about this how you'll be learning about natural language as a new coding language. And day two, you'll be learning about agent tools and interoperability, that is 10x agents. And on day three, you'll be learning context engineering, like what is order session, skill and memory, what is skilled agents, and everything about that. In day four, you'll learn agent quality and security, like quality agents you can call. On day five, prototype to production from vibe to live, like you will making your prompts, you will be giving your prompts and making the app or the product live. So next, who should apply for this? So this course is perfect for students, beginners, developers and anyone who is interested in AI. And basic Python knowledge will help, but it's not compulsory. So if you have Python knowledge, it is okay, but even though you don't have Python knowledge, although you can enroll in this course. So, what are the benefits you'll get? You'll get a certificate, a strong portfolio project, recognition from Google and Kaggle. So, in the website, they will be mentioning your name that you won in the Capstone project or you did well among all, and you'll get a chance to win rewards and swag. So overall, it's a great opportunity, right? So why you shouldn't miss these opportunities? Right now, AI agents are one of the most trending skills. And this course focuses exactly on that, even teaching something called vibe coding, where you can use natural language to build applications. This is literally the future of coding. So you can understand, right? Now, vibe coding has become one of the important part. So this is going to become our future. Even now we are using vibe coding. Everyone started vibe coding, right? And one more important thing. In my upcoming videos, I'll be telling what to do after registration and how to complete all 5 days easily and tips to successfully finish the course. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos. Now let's see how to register for this. Click on register here. If you are new here, you can register, or if you already have account, you can just sign in. Just choose if sign in with Google. This will be easy.
So if you click on sign in with Google, then it'll be registered, and if you click on register here, then you can see a pop-up like you have already registered, and they'll send you the welcome kit and the setup guide few days before the course begins. And the so if you don't have the account or you haven't registered yet, don't worry, I'll show you the registration process also. Just click on sign in with Google and you'll get your account. Just sign in, click on continue. Okay, I have this account. I'll
Click on
show
register.
from another
Register
account.
with Google.
Register with Google.
Just go with your mail.
So
Click
click
on
on
continue.
continue. So just click on
Click
next.
on next.
Accept.
Click
I
on
agree.
I agree.
So you'll get this page, and if you click on register here, you'll get the message
Click
like
on
you have
register here.
registered and the same mail. Okay.
So yeah, that's everything about this amazing free AI course by Google. Apply as soon as possible. I'm giving the link in the description. You can check out from there. And if you found this video helpful, do like, hype, and share with your friends. And if you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, you can just let me know in the comment box. I'll surely reply to everyone. So see you next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye. So see you next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.